Okay, so I am in the Condado area of San Juan district, and so this is where all the tourists come to and stay at in the hotels and the condominiums that's around here. And so this is the main tourist spot. So if you're really looking for anything local, this district is not going to be it, because as you can see across the street, it's really geared towards the tourists, like all the shops and the restaurants and the hotels is very Americanized. So it's really geared towards American tourists, okay? So you're not gonna get that local feel to it. You're gonna have to go back into the neighborhood where I'm staying at to get that local feel and that experience, if you want that kind of experience, because you're not gonna get it here. I can guarantee you that right now, because this is it's really geared towards the tourists, because you know, you see the Best Western, you see the Hyatt. I'm sorry, not the Hyatt, the Marriott, and it's really just geared towards tourists. It's like a tourist trap. You're not gonna get that experience that you would want. And so, yeah, I mean, you know, it's like when I went to Cancun and all the clubs and all that other stuff. You know, that was really, you can see it was very Americanized. And this is kind of what the same thing is, but it's actually, you know, the island of Puerto Rico is actually better. Sorry. This is my honest opinion. This is what my channel is based on. And my thoughts and my views about the places that I go. I give raw, honest, real reviews. So, but yeah, I mean, it's really, you know, it's really a place, again, it's just very touristy, trappy in this area of San Juan and the Condado area. And yeah, that's, you know, I mean, if this is what you want and this is what you're looking for, then by all means, more power to you. You get what I'm saying? This is what you're into. You want to just stay within your comfort zone, then this will be the place for you. So as you can see, there's a Walgreens across the street. I mean, this is still part of the US. So if you need to get anything, Americans, because it's predominantly Americans that come here, there's a Walgreens right across the street. And then there's CVS right in front of me. So you don't have to worry about that. And then there's there's grocery store chains and stuff here too. If for your convenience, if you need to get anything. So I think this is gonna really conclude this portion of the video. I mean, I you know, told you guys just pretty much what's around here, what's available, and what to expect when you come here and visit. So that's just summing up for this vlog. So if you could please rate, comment, and subscribe, and just let me know how I'm doing on my blogs, to how to even criticism. If you feel like I need to improve some things, please let me know. I can take criticism very, very well. I want to improve and grow my channel. So don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. Alright, so this is the grocery store, one of the grocery store chains I was telling you guys about. I'm sorry, hold on you guys, I apologize. This is, yeah, here we go, I'm sorry. This is one of the grocery stores I was telling you guys about, Supermax. So this is one of their grocery store chains here in Puerto Rico. The other is Pueblo, and then the other one is Super Americano, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, so if you're gonna be staying, because this is not far from where I'm staying at, so if you're gonna be in this area of San Juan, you can go to this grocery store right here. They'll have everything you need. And there's a Starbucks which I'll show you guys in just a minute, right up the street where that stoplight is at. And so there's like many different places. There's Blanco Popular, which is a bank branch here in Puerto Rico if you need to get out some money from the ATM. That's their bank here. So you got pretty much everything you need here, that's at your convenience. So yeah, so you don't really, you won't have to worry about getting an essential stuff that you need while you're here. And this is in the Condado area of San Juan, of Puerto Rico. So, and see, there's a mobile gas station across the street that you can get gas if you need to get gas. And so this plaza over here is there's a Denny's, there's a Starbucks, there's a burger fi place if you want to get a hamburger or whatever. And then there's other stuff. It's like a little shopping strip mall here, so whatever you need, you can get it. And so yeah, so and there's another, if you want to, there's a food truck if you want to get some food, like, you know, there's a food truck over there. So it's like just whatever you need to get, it's all here. You don't have to worry about anything. So it's, you know, it's pretty convenient for the stuff, you know, for the, you know, the stores and the shops that are over here. So yeah, so you really ain't got to worry about anything, you know. And I really like this neighborhood. I've been to Puerto Rico 3 times. Sorry guys, 3 times. And so and I really, you know, I just, every time I would come here, I just like staying in this area, because in this area, from what I just showed you guys, it's more localized. Like, you're gonna be more with the locals, you know, and it's not gonna be touristy or nothing like that. So you're gonna get that local experience while you're here. And I just stay with the locals. I don't, again, like what I showed you at the Condado, where the hotels and stuff were at, it's more for the tourists. So yeah, so I mean, you again, just whatever you need is here, is available to you. They speak, there's some, you know, most of them are multilingual. Some of them I did have trouble communicating with while I was here, but most of the people speak, you know, fluent English, you know, through most of the time that you're here. So yeah, so I mean, yeah, that sums it up. And just, I hope that I gave you, you know, some information that's, you know, that's reliable, and you can take it with a grain of salt. So if you know, enjoyed this video, let me know. If you have any criticism about my blog, about this particular blog or any other blogs that I do, just let me know in the comment sections to how to better improve my YouTube channel, so I can grow my channel. So until then, you guys, adios, and I will see you guys soon.